Good morning. It's 7 a.m. We are in Scenic, Bakersfield, California at a truck stop motel. It smells like broken plumbing here. I decided last minute to do the rock cobbler. Bakersfield, I gotta be honest, it's a town that we've only ever driven through on the way to San Francisco from LA. So today we are going to be riding a gravel race called the Rock Cobbler, and this will be the most of Bakersfield I have ever seen. We don't know the exact route, it's not posted anywhere. I know that the full length version is like 85 miles. And I don't know, like 6,000 to 8,000 feet of climbing, because the half version is 47 miles and 4,000 feet of climbing. These are our lovely digs, our lovely bikes. We got a last minute invite to join some friends, so we packed things up, left after work on Friday night, got there super late, but you know, plenty of time to wake up the next day and start the ride. As usual, we are not at the start line and they're starting. We gotta get to the start. This ride is starting in like 3 minutes.
Neutral for a little while. We have our Mad Max, the grandson of Covenant Cop.
Missed the start finish.
You know what? I just realized.
What? What?
I don't have a rear shifter battery.
What?
Thanks.
One small thing, and I promise I'll shut.
Actually, I've dealt with this problem many times, and I just told her to shift her front chainring to the smallest option and then take the battery out and use only her rear, use the front battery as her rear battery.
Oh my god, yeah.
Close call averted.
Right. She doesn't need a shifter in the front.
I can't. She'll be fine. And the unicycle kooks are out. You just dropped the key, Ash. This is traveling with Ash. It's just like chaos at every turn. So I had no idea what to expect. The ride began and we just hopped in because we were late. But it, you know, began with your typical gravel grinder bottleneck. So it didn't really matter that we were late because we all just squished right in. Oh, I guess I'll go right then. There was a fair amount of pavement to begin, probably about 12 miles of pavement, which I was like, ugh, why are we doing this? I thought this was gravel. So many oil fields. What's up, MC Hammer?
That's why when you see MC Hammer, you drop the hammer. Rock Cobbler 2020, it's always good.
But it quickly gave way to amazing single track, a lot of super steep, little punchy climbs. It might, do you know for sure? Very much walking. Got the gearing for it. Get it. See how far I can get. Oh god, nope. Oh, fuck. Just like a proper sadistic gravel grinder. We got another steep ass climb at mile 77. And when I say punchy climbs, I mean like steep 21% to 37% grade. Oh god. So that was a 21% grade. Come on! Brianna's crushing. I just did it. And I don't think I would have been able to do that if I hadn't changed my rear tire out. That Riddler has got grip because I had to stand up. Fuck, dude. How are you not out of breath? Literally? Who just rolls up all smooth like that? Hey. She goes,
Without a leg.
I ran out and bought the WTB Riddler after reading some reviews, and I gotta say, I am not disappointed. It was a phenomenal tire, held up really well, no flats, and was I tubeless? And I wasn't running tubeless because, right, I haven't set it up yet. I'm very slow sometimes with bike maintenance. And it was grippy. So like these moments where I stood up on these super steep climbs, it didn't wash out like hardly ever. I am digging this WTB Riddler. It's holding up. Vin, how did I catch up to you?
You passed me on that steep climb.
I don't remember. Hi. There was a go-kart track. A pump track. We shared fun, flowy trail with a bunch of ATV crews. Sharing the course with these guys. Get it! You! There was this insane surface of the moon type section. It was like a steep climb. It was all sand and ridges. Riding up. Thank you so much. See how far I can get. Not showing off. I just hate walking. At some point, I found a great crew of ladies to ride with. Lee from LA and some people that she was with from Vegas. I found a partner in music. We've been screaming along to Paramore, and I think we're pissing everybody off, but you know. What's your name? Lauren. Lauren? Yeah. Don't you race with Deanna? Yeah. Yeah, she's a badass. So are you. I had pretty low expectations for this ride. I don't know why. Maybe because it's in Bakersfield. And it thoroughly exceeded them. I mean, that wasn't hard to do, but it was a blast of a ride with a touch of desert weird. Like a lot of random couches and washing machines dropped in the middle of nowhere. I ran into Chaz and his crew at some point.
There's 11th right there! Come on, Jerry!
You're racing. It's not a race. Did anyone tell you it's not a race?
I'm trying.
No one told him it's not a race.
He's in 10th place. You can't tell him to stop.
That's Chaz right there. He is very much walking, even though he says he's racing and he's in 10th place, which he's very excited to talk about. But it looks like he is staying in 10th place. Alright, this part is fucking twisted. This is so fucked up. You're walking 37% grade, and they've got signs that heckle us. Holy shit. Hey, Alan.
We gotta keep going.
You in like 15th place? You better go hold that down.
I don't know.
LA. You got this. Yeah. Go, Brianna, go. What's that? You're so strong. I think that's what you meant to say.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just trying to take in the view.
It was palpable. Like,
Yeah.
What you get?
Lee, how was your ride?
So much.
Did you did the full Cobbler?
No, I just did the Cobbler. And it is longer than any track race I will ever want to do.
The Sprinter does 47 miles. Is that the longest ride you've done in a while?
Definitely the longest with 8 miles, don't you?
Just came in.
It was a lot. It was a lot.
My one critique would be that the aid stations were well placed, but everything at the aid station was caffeinated, like the drink mix, the chews, the goos. Like, I didn't realize how much caffeine I was ingesting. By the end of the race, I felt really strung out. Yeah? How was your race, Chaz?
I raced well. I was really fucking pumped on it. I beat the dude I wanted to beat.
Did he know you were racing him?
Yes, he knew we were racing. I fucking took him in the pump track at the last second. It was fucking tight for flavor.
10 out of 10 would do it again?
Oh yeah.
Way better than
This was 11 out of 10 compared to last year. For sure. Last year was good and we came back because it was fun, but this was way
Is the
better.
course the same every year?
No. You did a lot of the same things. We kind of just did it backwards.
Yeah, last year it was wet as fuck.
Yeah.
Dude.
And you rode the bike path for like 15 miles to start and then 15 miles home.
This was a way better edition of the race.
Really?
Like you
Got the same one.
Alright, this is Johnny from Vegas. We had a very smart idea to cut out the last two climbs, I think. Which, like, they weren't the last two, but like 2 of the climbs. Because there were definitely 2 more after that.
Yeah, there
2
were.
big, awful ones after that. And then, yeah, so we still got 60 plus miles in, and we're killing it.
And we get to drink it.
Yeah! Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Kim Nonstop. Subscribe to my channel for more bike adventures. Check out my Patreon, become a patron, and I'll see you guys here next week. Oh, click the notification bell so that you know when there's new videos. Click the notification bell. Click the notification bell. This is my only bike that has a bell on it, and I'm not even gonna open it up. I just wanted the sound effect.